The followers of VDM and the religious people, they are 5 and 6. Somebody who called himself an activist said that Nnamdi Kanu's judgment is a distraction. Nnamdi Kanu's case, that is not even a national case, an international issue. Somebody who have been detained, a case that has been running for over 10 years, who have been in prison for more than 4 years today, after 2 years before. Because of this case, Sowore hosted a national protest in Abuja. Many people were arrested. Case that so many people have died for. Federal government has to spend money all the way from Nigeria to Kenya and bring him back to Nigeria. That you said is a distraction. To which other case is as good as turning a Christian, that you should forget about Jesus Christ and talk about some other apostles, some other disciples of Jesus. This guy never mean well for us. There's no doubt that he don't like Igbos. I know that one is sure. He do not mean well to a common man. All these things he do on social media is just to grow his page. He's not fighting for anyone. He's fighting for his pockets. He's working with government, but you guys will not understand. Many of you will come here to attack me. I know that one is sure. An Igbo man like me, you are telling me that this case is a distraction. The case that made me not go to work for some days. For the first time in my life, get depressed. I've never been heartbroken like this before. The first time was the time he was arrested from Kenya. The second time is now. I'm finding it so difficult to pick myself up, gather myself together and move on. But they are coming to tell me that this case is a distraction. The followers of VDM and the religious people, they are 5 and 6. Each time you try to make some correction against their pastor, problem. Each time you try to make correction against this guy, VDM, problem as well. But I believe gradually you people's eyes will open. It do not mean well for us. It do not mean well for Nigerians. All he's here is to look for people's businesses to destroy.